Welcome everyone. This is the first video in this channel and you will learn how to make a full background image with the text in the center. So here I have the index HTML, the main.css and the background image. Before we start, install this HTML snippets. So let's start. Here I will have a div, the class of bg. Here I will have a div again, center, which will have centered text. So here the bg will be or will have a background. Here it will be this one, center and no repeats. So let's run it again. So I have this one, center text. I need to link the CSS, not the background, but the main.css, as you can see here. So now let's make it to be a full background image. I will use 100 VH, which is 100% of the viewport, as you can see here. Okay, so with the div, so this centered here will be position absolute. Here position relative, and I will center it in here. It will be 50%, left 50%, and transform translates minus 50%, minus 50%. So as you can see here, we have it in the center. Now let's make it a full size here by using the cover. Let's make this each one white color like this. So as you can see, we got this covered, a background cover, and also this text is in the center. So hopefully you learned how we can make this small technique, or having a full image with the text inside this. So this is a technique that you can use in your projects. So thank you everyone, until the next video.